In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your account in the Yahoo Mail app on your Android device. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through each step to make sure you can do it smoothly and without any hitches. Let's begin by opening the Yahoo Mail app on your Android phone. You'll want to locate the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, depending on where you've placed it. Tap on it to open the app and get to the main inbox view, which is where you'll start off. Once you have the app open, you'll notice your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This might be a picture you've chosen, or it could simply be your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Go ahead and tap on that profile picture. Doing this will bring up a menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Manage Accounts. This is the section where you can handle different aspects of your account login settings. Tap on Manage Accounts, and you'll be taken to a new screen listing all the Yahoo accounts you have connected to this app. Here, you'll want to identify the specific account you wish to sign out of. Typically, you'll see a list of all active accounts on this page. Take a moment to find the one you intend to log out from. Once you've located the right account, you'll see a switch next to it. If your account is actively signed in, the switch will appear colored, typically in a shade of blue. To sign out, you'll need to swipe this switch to the left. By doing so, you're telling the app to deactivate your session for that particular account. After you've swiped the switch, the color should change to gray, indicating that you have successfully signed out from the account. If the switch is gray, this is a visual confirmation that you're no longer logged in to that account on this device. It's always a good idea to double check by observing the switch, ensuring it appears gray before you consider this task complete. And there you have it. You've now successfully signed out of your Yahoo Mail account on your Android device. If you ever need to sign back in, you can simply open the app and use your credentials. This makes it easy to manage privacy, especially if you're using a shared device. Remember, signing out when you're done with your email can be an important step in maintaining your online security. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.